Welcome back. This week I have a really quick Dollar Tree haul with some pretty interesting items that I haven't seen before, and a few items that I have. So let's just get into it. So the first exciting thing that I found was this Detangler brush. It looks very similar to a Tangle teaser, which I'm not sure how much those retail for, but I think it's around 10 bucks. So of course I love the color. This is my favorite color. And I figured this would be really nice to have, and it's better for your hair, I guess, if you brush it while it's wet, which I have to because otherwise it dries into snarls, aka dreadlocks. So I figured for $1, worth a shot, really cute and compact, probably great for travel as well. And if you lose it, it's only $1. I've got another practical item for you guys, batteries. So batteries can be extremely expensive, obviously, if you go to your local Walmart or Target. So I always purchase my batteries at the Dollar Tree. So we're going to a honeymoon in Jamaica in a few weeks, so I figured it would be good to have some batteries to pack along with us. This is a repurchase. You probably saw these two items in my last haul. They're the new serums, which is really exciting. I got both the retinol and the hyaluronic acid one. I think they're working pretty well. My skin feels really nice and moisturized, so we'll see. I figured I should buy them before they run out because once anything at the Dollar Tree is gone, chances are it's not coming back. So again, any kind of serum or skincare for $1, I'm not gonna pass up. And again, continuing with the skincare items, I purchased from the new Bolero line this pineapple, coconut, and lime body oil. I'm not typically a body oil kind of person, but I thought this would be, again, great for Jamaica to just keep my skin nice and moisturized after being in the sun and smell kind of tropical and wonderful. So I thought this would be a great purchase for Jamaica, and it's definitely a small enough container that you could actually bring it in a checked bag. And to go along with the pineapple, coconut, and lime, I also bought the matching face wipes. I really like their wipes a lot, and for $1 you get 30, which usually, in at least the ones that I purchased in the past, you only get 25 wipes, and I think I'm thinking of the simple ones. So you only get 25 wipes, and those are like $4. So I really like these. The current one I'm using is a Manuka honey and almond oil. The scent is okay, but I think this is going to be much more up my alley. And the last item, which I saved the best for last, is something that I am so excited about. So it is this Simply Glamorous hardcover, kind of like coffee table book. So at least a few years ago, I was super into makeup. Obviously, adulthood kind of kicks that out of you. You can't spend 2 hours getting ready in the morning. But I was so excited still to see this. Even the inside cover is really cool. But it just has a bunch of step-by-step ways to do like an eyeshadow look and kind of what the desired outcome will be. So I was, again, so excited to see this. It's a really nicely done book, and I just really like the pictures, and it talks just about a lot of interesting stuff, and it's not all like dramatic looks. I think a lot of this can be carried over into like your everyday routine. But even like winged eyeliner, couldn't we all use another lesson in winged eyeliner? I know I could. But this book retailed for $27, and I got it for $1. Someday I'll have, you know, a really cool beauty room and I can just put that on display, but for now I'll just have it by my vanity and be able to take a look at it if I ever spend my time actually doing my makeup, which doesn't happen often anymore. But anyways, that's everything for this week. I know it wasn't a whole lot of stuff. I'm not seeing a ton of new items, but I was pretty excited about a few of these. So thank you for watching, and see you next week.